Приветствую вас, господин президент.
There you go. Hello.
Добрый день.
Good to see you again.
Приветствую вас, господин президент.
There you go. Hello.
Добрый день.
Good to see you again. Unfortunately, last time we didn't get to see one another at the G20. I hope next time we meet, we do it in person.
К сожалению, не пришлось увидеться на встрече Большой Двадцатки, но надеюсь, в следующий раз мы сможем встретиться лицом к лицу.
We never had any problem. Nobody was tougher on Russia than I was, and I liked Putin. Got along with him very well, but I was the one that stopped the pipeline. There can be no bigger thing than that. I sanctioned them, and I stopped the pipeline going all over Europe. And nobody could do bigger than that. Outside of the horror show of war itself, nobody could do bigger than that. And then I hear how nice I was to Russia. I got along great with Putin, but I was tough with Putin. Tougher than anybody ever. Tougher than anybody on China. Tougher than anybody ever also. And if you look at North Korea, I got along great with Kim Jong-un. I got along great with President Xi of China. And I got along well with Putin, but I was tough at all of them. With China, we took in hundreds of billions of dollars of taxes and tariffs. Nobody's ever seen that before. We never took in 10 cents. I got them to buy billions and billions of dollars from our farmers and manufacturers. Nobody did to China what I did. Now I see that Biden is going to be talking to Putin, and that's not a fair match. That wouldn't have been a fair match in prime time. This is not a fair match for our country.
Over on the pipeline and is now looking for Germany to bail us out. Why do you think the White House is backtracking on a policy that they have defended for months?
Well, because President Biden is obviously wrong. Joe Biden surrendered to Putin, waived the sanctions that had worked, and that is why we're facing the prospect of a Russian invasion on Ukraine. It is because of Biden's weakness. Let me tell you how that phone call should go. Biden should tell Putin the Nord Stream 2 pipeline is dead, that he is going to impose the sanctions that Congress has passed into law.
President Biden will also talk with leaders.
The call covered a range of issues, but the main topic was Ukraine. President Biden was direct and straightforward with President Putin, as he always is. He reiterated America's support for Ukraine's sovereignty and territorial integrity. He told President Putin directly that if Russia further invades Ukraine, the United States and our European allies would respond with strong economic measures. We would provide additional defensive materiel to the Ukrainians above and beyond that which we are already providing. And we would fortify our NATO allies on the eastern flank with additional capabilities in response to such an escalation. He also told President Putin there's another option, de-escalation and diplomacy. The United States and our European allies would engage in a discussion that covers larger strategic issues, including our strategic concerns with Russia and Russia's strategic concerns. We managed to do this at the height of the Cold War, and we developed mechanisms to help reduce instability and increase transparency. We've done this in the post-Cold War era through the NATO-Russia Council, the OSCE, and other mechanisms. There's no reason we can't do that going forward, provided that we are operating in a context of de-escalation rather than escalation. As I said before, the discussion between President Biden and President Putin was direct and straightforward. There was a lot of give and take. There was no finger wagging, but the president was crystal clear about where the United States stands on all of these issues. We believe from the beginning of this administration that there is no substitute for direct dialogue between leaders, and that is true in spades when it comes to the U.S.-Russia relationship. So President Biden welcomed the opportunity to engage clearly and directly with President Putin. Indeed, as President Biden said after his meeting in Geneva in June with President Putin, where we have differences, I want President Putin to understand why I say what I say and why I do what I do and how we'll respond to specific kinds of actions that harm America's interests and indeed harm our allies' interests. That's exactly what he did today. President Biden was direct and straightforward with President Putin, as he always is. He reiterated America's support for Ukraine's sovereignty and territorial integrity. He told President Putin directly that if Russia further invades Ukraine, the United States and our European allies would respond with strong economic measures. We would provide additional defensive materiel to the Ukrainians above and beyond that which we are already providing. And we would fortify our NATO allies on the eastern flank with additional capabilities in response to such an escalation. He also told President Putin there's another option, de-escalation and diplomacy. We still do not believe that President Putin has made a decision. What President Biden did today was lay out very clearly the consequences if he chooses to move. He also laid out an alternative path that is fundamentally in keeping with the basic principles and propositions that have guided America in the Euro-Atlantic area for the past 70 years. And ultimately, we will see in the days ahead through actions, not through words, what course of action Russia chooses to take. Things we did not do in 2014, we are prepared to do now. Now, in terms of the specifics, we would prefer to communicate that directly to the Russians, to not negotiate in public, to not telegraph our punches, but we are laying out for the Russians in some detail the types of measures that we have in mind. We are also coordinating very closely with our European allies on that at a level of deep specificity. We have experts from the Treasury Department, the State Department, and the National Security Council in daily contact with the key capitals and with Brussels to work through that package of measures. But I think it is not profitable for us to lay out the specifics of it standing here at this podium today.